us in the corner, taking me for a ride. Into the motion, we're exploding out of trouble inside. You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. Tonight the stars are out, so let's make a town. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about. Tonight the stars are out, so let's make a town. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. I'm all about it.
Talk real lang tayo, real talk lang. Dahil kausap ko ay mga magagaling, magigiting, mga mahuhusay na kabataang leader ng Norsagaran. Alam niyo po, choice mo yan kung nasaan ka ngayon. Walang namilit sa'yo o kung napilit ka, nagpapilit ka. Pinili mong maglingkod at kapag naglilingkod ka, real talk, maiistorbo ka. Kaya naniniwala ako, you don't get to choose your calling actually. The caller chooses you.
Sa lahat ng SK na nandito ngayon, sabi nila, di ba, ang SK daw ang future natin. Tama ba yun? Yeah. Ang SK ang ating kinabukasan. But I believe that SK also is our present.
Being a leader, you communicate not only when you stand on stage, not only when you're hosting an event, or like talking to your constituents. Everything you do is communication. Kahit nakatayo lang kayo, naglalakad, that you communicate something, right?
Excellence, leadership is a way of life. It's a way of living. Kahit hindi na kayo SK, pag natutunan nyo na maglingkod, huwag nyo i-deprive sa kapwa nyo. Pagtuloy-tuloy pa rin sana kayo. Start doing something better, something good yung hindi mo nagawa o dapat mo pang gawin. Continue what you've been doing good and make it better until it becomes the best.